Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and all you have to do is simply tap on Apps and Notifications. Now let's scroll down a little and tap on Special App Access, and here we have to find Install Unknown Apps. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. If you'd like to change it, so for example, if you'd like to allow the Google Drive to install some content, simply tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. Be aware that your phone and your personal data may be more vulnerable to attacked by unknown apps because some third parties are not checked by the developer, so you're doing it on your own responsibility. Let's get back. As you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on you will be able to download some content from Google Drive. Of course, it will work for all other apps, for example for Gmail, for, I don't know, Clone It, or the Antutu benchmark. If you'd like to turn it off, really nothing easier, just enter the app you'd like to turn off and tap on the switcher. Let's get back, and the same situation, it immediately changes, so from now on you won't be allowed to install anything from Google Drive. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.